Di ba ito yung daanan namin ba? Oh my God, alam mahadlok na balayan ko na yung drive. Nakakatakot mag-drive sa ganito. Ito yung daanan, oh, hindi man makita asa ng ano. Oh my God, careful, careful, careful. Saon man ni karon, guys. Look at this flood. Look at it. Get through.
The second lot of posts past the 60 sign.
Yeah.
The next lot of white posts
Yeah.
is that deep.
Oh my God.
So I don't, yeah, your car wouldn't get through that.
Good morning.
It's our third and last day sa aming camping. Good morning. Meron silang mga lights, oh. And look at outside. Oh my goodness. That's so good. So it has been raining since last night. And thunder and lightning. Oh my God. It is our first time, no? You know, it's our first time here sa tent. And the first night was like, hot. It was like perfect, you know? Kasi walang ulan.
It's not the first time in your tent.
I mean like, this time. This time. Tingnan niyo, andun sila, oh. Kita natin sila dito. Sobrang ulan, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Tinitingnan nila yung creek. Kasi diba yung creek na, ano lang, stagnant lang yung water. Tsaka, it looks like it's, ano na, bumaha na. Last night, sila ni Ate Michelle, they always checking us. Checking na, ay okay, wala bang, ano, leaking. Kasi, ayan, chine-check ko. Okay naman, wala naman problema. Sa awa ng Diyos, guys. Maganda naman tulog yung tulog ng mga kids.
Mommy, that's a bed.
What is it?
Bed.
How's your experience, Ate?
Good.
Eh? Ito, wala tong alam na umulang kagabi. Eh, tulog na tulog. So, hindi ko rin. Light. Ayan. So, maiiba yung plano ngayon. So, sabi namin, babalik kami doon sa sa ilog. Baanan puso kasi maginaw na nga doon kahapon yung tubig, lalo naman yun. It's also raining. Tingnan nyo, basang-basa sa ulan. Tingnan nyo. This is truly an experience for us. But, look. It looks so beautiful, guys. Na-appreciate ko yung ganito ba. Just quiet, rain, in the forest. Love it. Wag lang ulan, wag lang mabasa. Okay lang. And this tent is really, really good. Apparently, this tent is brand new. Sa kanila to, Naniram nila sa amin kasi wala man kami mga gamit. But na lang din kasi yung sasakyan namin kahapon was very, very dusty. Ngayon, naka-wash.
Mommy!
Yes, my little girl. Huh?
A different light.
Lights? Tingnan nyo. Buhos na ulan aking mundo, lunurin tuluyan. Kaya kuma? Awan na si Lini. Hindi na kinahanglan pang tanunog. Dura come out. Stay here, okay? Just, wait, alam na. Where's the other Birkenstock lang? Why is this only one? No. Ito, manaalod na tubig. Just wear mama's.
I got one and you get, I mean, you didn't just wipe them here or there. Right?
Wait, Lini, don't go in the rain now. I'll let you out. Just under here,
There we go.
Alam niyo ba guys, nagluluto sila doon. Naaamoy ko na dito, natitinulang manok daw. Masarap ng tinulang manok. Ayun, kasi tingnan niyo, maulan. Kawawa naman sila doon,
Where's your father?
Yung tent nila ba, mukhang binahaan ata.
Where's your
Kasi naman,
father?
yung ulam. Pwede sila, nag-move sila sa cabin. Buti na lang may cabin, guys. Basa-basa pa mo na.
Spiders.
Spiders?
Yeah.
Where?
That's why there's a house.
How big is a spider?
It's frozen.
Nanak, mura gyapon kag wala nang sinilas lang.
Lapin dalan mari pada flick flack flack flick flack.
Mag, si kapapig si. George to do. Basa na sila.
Spiders.
Spiders. Anak, stay here, anak. Say hello, friends.
Hello, friends.
She's saying hello, friends. Andun siya sa cabin, Ayan, napakapi ako sa ate ko, guys, na maganda. Kapi-kapi for more. Guys, wala jud may bit-bit sa among tent, wala jud may bit-bit. Grabe ka, parasite. Parasite jud di. Grabe nga word parasite. Pagtuo ko to. Served with love. Thank you.
Where are we going?
Oh my god, look at this. Beautiful. Hala. Yesterday, the water is so still. Have a look at now. Nagbaha sa suba. Look at the water. Diba nakita niyo ito kahapon? But look at now. See, the water is very powerful talaga. Ate! Do you think the river is also like this now? The river we went to yesterday?
Oh, flowing big time, yeah.
Yeah?
More than this.
Because Paris was like, how about the river? How about the swimming? I said, nah, I don't think so. Lucky we went yesterday, eh?
Yeah,
Perfect. Yeah, perfect time for it.
Yeah, it wouldn't be clear water now to be murky.
We'll be mad. Daddy! Akong pukawon sa isa. Look, our daddy is sleeping. Shh! Breakfast! Don Ramil. I'm obsessed, guys. See, I'm obsessed with this view. Just the big trees and the cabin. Kakain na kami ng breakfast. Pakita ko sa inyo quickly yung tubig dito. Naririnig niyo ba ang pagraragasa ng tubig? Grabe naman yung word na pagraragasa ng tubig. Parang nagre-report lang. Oh my God! Shoot! Di ba ito yung daanan namin ba? Oh my God! Wala mahadlok. Malabalayan ko na yung drive. Nakakatakot mag-drive sa ganito. Ito yung daanan. Hindi man nakita asa ng ano. Oh my goodness. Kasi dito yung Malugar, may sabi talaga na like prone to flooding ba? Oh, shit! That was a good catch! Did you see that? That's a skill! I'm thinking yung mga mga nadaanan namin guys, na may mga nakasabi na kapag umuulan, mapaplood talaga. Sure na. Sure na doon. Natakot naman eh. Andun na sila oh. Kakain na daw ng breakfast. Ah! Sakit guys. Uy, nalagyas ko eh. Did you see that, Glenn? I didn't drop any coffee.
Your bum must have been that far off the ground.
The balance.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know.
Apparently we had that on camera. Your camera just went like.
Baba.
Mama's flooding.
Ha?
Flooding.
Ay, oh, pakainin ko yan. Ay, masarap man chicken.
Flooding.
No, that's coffee for mama, anak. Nak, did you see mama lang? No, you didn't see. You missed it. You missed half of your life. Kita ka, te? Nihili slide there, anak ko.
Mommy, look, it's flooding. The water's
I know.
flooding.
You want coffee? Ay, sis, please, mama, ang coffee. Ginoo ko, Lord. Mama drink first, okay? Look, see? Tito made this, oh. Daddy, go this way, Baba. Go the other way. Ah, okay. Lami kayong tulog sa...
Sabaw mo rin. Bisayang manok yun sa ato.
Come here lang, o eat lang ha. Mama will... Oh, from yesterday. Okay. Saan sa tawag? Tinula, dyan ni shower ka lang. Gata.
Ano lang yan yung...
Yung light. Ay, Josh, baby, no crying, baby. Bob, he wants to hold Paris's hand. If Paris lets go, he cries.
Paris is sweet, that's why.
You are a baby whisperer.
Look.
How about Celine? Are you a baby whisperer?
Yeah, baby screamer. But I'm Lainey.
Are you Lini? You're not whisperer.
He's pushing my hand.
It's okay. Hold Daddy Paris's hand.
No, never.
Baby.
Where's your down?
No crying, baby. Whoa. Uy. Nakabihis ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Kasi tingnan niyo ang ating baby Celine. Kinuha yung skirt ng
Where's
ating...
the other one?
No, they pack it up already, honey. Because that one could get wet. Because that was cloth. Daddy is packing up, guys.
This one's wet too.
And I'm slowly putting the stuff in the car. We'll put the tent
Because
away.
we're leaving today.
We are. How was your experience, my love? Did you like our camping?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm sad.
I know. It's alright. We can go next time.
Mommy, I want to swing. Are they going?
You want what? You want
Mommy,
swing?
are they going to
It's not swing. It's hammock. Okay, Ate, let her jump in.
Okay, Beanie can come in too. I'm on this side.
Okay, come.
Mommy, I'll see you on this side.
This side.
Hi guys, so we are going to leave now. Wait, later. And I said we are still here. And I'm on the what's it called, Mommy? Hammock. And I am just winging. Sorry, I'm just winging. Hi guys. So I'm still here. I'm gonna show my mama. It's not nice to meet you. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Oh, you're vlogging? Hi.
Oh my goodness. So I'm just walking in here. We're just packing because I'm leaving today. Really sad. But Mom, they're being crazy. They're like, pew, exploding. I am just going to leave after they pack, and I'll see you when
Uwi na sila, guys. Ito yung kinakatakutan ko ba na daan. Diyos ko. Oh my God. Careful, careful, careful. Oh my God. Tuyo ko. Oh my goodness. Na, maginahinad. Di ko tayo pagawas. Ako si Marte. Pakuan, Bobby. Straight ko. We are putting everything away now, guys. Thank you, tent, for keeping us safe the last 2 nights. Carrie! Hang on. I'll just get Ati quickly. Daddy's doing the bed. Greg is now packing the caravan up. Wala na, malinis sa dyan guys, wala na.
Do you have a house on the top of the hill as well?
No, only the house, that one there. Yeah, the one someone rent.
Oh, the one with the horses. Not as big as that dog yesterday in the riverboat.
Ibili na niya, te?
Just to leave it that one and then tomorrow. It depends how it's ready. Muddy.
Ah, so cool, oh. See you. Ate, say bye-bye, thank you. 2 weeks. See you in 2 weeks. Ampik ka ha. Say bye-bye, nanay, si. I love you. I love you so much. I love you, baby. I love you, Paris. Nanay, I love you, okay? See you next time. We'll go to the shop, okay?
Next time, see you next
We'll go to the shop. Go back to the shop. Go back. See you, Greg. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Come again.
Will do.
No gravel on the top.
Okay, I did go
See you, Glenn.
Slip and slide all over the place.
bunny.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Good to see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hello, bunny.
Yeah, bunnies.
Bye.
Very good.
Is that dangerous?
Yeah.
Oh, that Greg is there, Bob. See? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Fun.
Yeah, honey. Ang saon man ni karon, guys. Look at this flood. We couldn't get through. Hindi namin alam kung gaano ka lalim. I think kasi it might look like it's shallow, tino, but basta ng laong ba?
Looks like shallow, but you don't have
Mm.
seen. Ang yan pa naman.
Yeah.
Yung mga pristine. Kasi natanaw ni Grit, kita ka rin siya.
Yeah. Okay.
Problem is, hindi na magpapakita sa road.
Oh, lagi.
Ano yung palitan, maari ka rin niya.
Lagi, waka kabalo og asa ba ka ni?
Oh.
No, paingon dip.
Center ka no, anak. Ikanon ni mo. Hindi ka pasarang-sarang kay kung ang pag-drive na nimo, murag mumuga imo kuan, naka sa diri na grafter, maapot na ka sa kanal, gani na.
Gani.
Usa ka kuan sa sasakyan na. Anak.
Taas-taas na ba? No, may
Taas-taas
tag-ana na ba?
Di kuan si Greg.
Yeah.
No. See the second one right up the other end?
Yeah.
That's up here.
Oh my god, no. Right now?
Yeah, look.
Reckon?
The second lot of posts, past the 60 sign,
Yeah.
the next lot of white posts
Yeah.
is that deep.
Oh my god.
So I don't. Yeah, your car wouldn't get through that.
It's going down quick.
It'll be probably another 2 or 3 hours. We'll probably drive through.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back to the other
Yeah, we'll try the back way.
Oh,
Try
okay.
Tunstall Road.
Okay.
You got plenty of
Well, follow.
you got plenty of
No. Alas 8 na ng gabi guys. Nakauwi kami kanina mga around 4 o'clock yun. Medyo natagalan kami kasi alam niyo ba, hindi lang yung pinakita ko sa inyo na baha yung na-encounter namin. So, hindi kami tumuloy doon sa last na baha na pinakita ko sa inyo. So, we had to turn around. We took the longest way kasi ginamit namin yung back road guys. It's more ano kasi yung yung pa taas. So hindi siya naanuhan ng flood doon yung baha. So doon kami pero mas natagalan siya. But anyways, we're just happy that everything is fine. Everyone is safe. Yun yung importante, di ba? Luto to ni Ate Geraldine kagabi kasi nga birthday ni Jenny. Hindi na ubos. Tapos, wala mang plastic bag. Paghahatian sana namin ni Ate Michelle. Kaya lang, walang pagsidlan. So, ewan ko kay Ate Michelle, binigay lahat sa akin. Oh. So, I'm not complaining. Thank you, Ate Geraldine, for this. Thank you, Ate Michelle. So, isa sa uli ko na lang tong lagayan niya in 2 weeks time. So, birthday ni Glenn, yung asawa ni Ate Michelle. Tapos, birthday rin ni Ate Geraldine. I-celebrate nila together in 2 weeks time, so 10th of Feb. So, in-invite nila kami. Magkikita ulit kami. So, I'm super excited and looking forward for that one already. Saka ko na isa sa ulit tong aking Sharon Cuneta. Balutin mo ako. Overall, guys, we had so much fun. So, I'm so happy na even though sobrang lakas ng ulan kagabi, but like a different experience. So the first night, sobrang init, like we were lying on the floor kasi Ate Paris kasi baby Celine yung nasa airbed, tapos kami sa baba ni Daddy Mike and we can see the stars, and alam niyo yun, very romantic din, very quiet, very peaceful. Tapos sa second night ay yun na, binahaan na. Akala ko, sabi ko, Daddy Mike, naku, lulutang yata tayo nito kasi nafe-feel ko na yung tubig sa ilalim ng tent. But the tent, did so well. Sobrang, maglagay nga kami ng positive review sa tent na yun. The tent was so strong. Tapos, sobrang nice nila ni Ate Michelle, ni Glenn, kasi hindi natulog sila siguro very late na kasi they're checking out on us na okay lang ba kayo dyan. Every time na nag-on ako ng flashlight kasi tinitignan ko kung may leakings. Sila, Jovi, are you okay there? Chine-check nila kami. Sobrang basta sila sa ulan kasi naglalakad sila, chine-check nila kung okay lang ba yung lahat. We didn't have any, yung parang worry na anong mangyari, mababasa kami lahat kasi meron namang cabin nakita niya, diba? So just in case na magka-leakings or may tubig na makapasok yung tubig, ay makapunta naman kami lahat doon sa cabin. Like, it has enough space. Just want to say thank you to everyone talaga for letting us join them for this adventure. Like, first time for us and definitely not the last one. Kasi sobrang na-enjoy talaga kami, guys. Na-enjoy ko yung peaceful lang, walang phones actually. Then yung ni Daddy Mike, walang phone. So, walang kahati ba yung time. Nandun talaga. Usap-usap, chika-chika, yun lang. Walang screen time. Although, nag-vlog pa rin si mama niyo. Yun nga lang, hindi tayo makag-upload kasi walang mga signal. Meron pa pala dito. Pinadala nila sa amin yung naiwang cake. Chocolate cake. Initin ko muna yun para mas masarap yung ating pansit. Daddy Mike is here. How was your experience, Can you tell them your experience,
My experience, it was very good getting away, as Mama just said over there.
Were you listening to me?
I enjoyed myself very much.
Are you gonna do it again?
Yeah,
Given a chance?
yeah, definitely.
What was your highlight? Don't look at me like that, Mom.
Well, no, seriously.
Buwang ka.
No, nothing. My highlight was honestly just being with you guys in Queensland.
Welcome, Bob. Like, give some, like, we went there Friday afternoon. So we had like the whole Saturday and then like half day today. So within those
Honestly,
like,
Bob,
time.
my highlight, honestly.
Was it like the river?
No, I know, Bob. I know. Hello, Baba.
What's wrong, Ate? You just want to join?
Come in, my princess.
Sure. Big girl, go in the middle. Okay.
My highlight, honestly, was going for a little walk with Paris and having a sit with her on the stairs.
Which stairs was that?
On the cabin stairs, didn't we?
Mhm.
And we had a little chat, didn't we? Do you remember that? Last night?
Yeah.
No, yeah. I won't tell everyone what we're talking about because it was private between me and Paris, but it was very nice.
So my honey, so it's Paris this time. So we're gonna ask Paris since she's here now. She wants to join. Did you enjoy your adventure with Nanay C?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Going swimming and visiting them.
Yeah, like
And,
swimming.
and having cake and the marshmallows.
Oh yeah,
You
that's
love the
true.
marshmallows, didn't you?
That's nice one. Yeah. Did we vlog? Yeah, I think we did. Yung nag-ano sila ng marshmallow sa fire. Was that your highlight?
Mhm.
That was good, yeah.
You want to show everybody a rock?
Yeah.
Go.
And this is my favorite one.
Why do you like that one?
Because it's like part of a lover, and I'll show you what it looks like if I can lick it with my finger.
Ooh. Where did you find that?
I found it when we were at the river while I was swimming.
The water was so good, yeah.
It was cold though.
Yeah.
It was cold on a hot day.
Yeah, that's right. That's good. So when you're out the water, it's not bad, yeah, because it's warm. Which was a bit sad because we had to leave today. But I said we'll just have to look forward for the next adventure. Correct?
Mhm.
Right. We just want to say thank you, Nanay C and Nanay Geraldine.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm gonna tell the other stuff we're gonna do on the Sundays. So like we're going to Lee's friend's house because I'm not sure if we're going to her house. Because it's her birthday, and it's also Nana season Uncle Glen's birthday.
Nanay Geraldine and Uncle Glenn.
Oopsie.
Yeah. So ayan, nasa diary na yan ni Ate Paris, guys. So nasa schedule na yan. Kaya she's looking forward and she's very excited. Anyways, we are going to end the vlog here now. Si Celine ay super busy.
With her iPad.
Yeah, she's watching. So ayan na siya. We don't want to, patulog ko na yan siya very
Make you
soon.
cry.
Okay, mag-no-no na naman yan siya. Yeah, thank you guys for joining us. And yeah, thank you Ate Michelle, Ate Geraldine, and the husbands for letting us join till the next adventure. Yes. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful.
Bye.
bye. Mwah. Close it.